Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. Today I'm just going to be going through a little haul of some items that I got when my husband and I went to the mall yesterday, and we stopped by the store Lovisa and also BoxLunch, and I picked up several items from Lovisa and one item from BoxLunch that I also just dropped in that bag. So I know this is a makeup channel, but it really is just a beauty channel, and I love just going through things like jewelry and fragrance and fashion. All those things are really encompassed in this channel, so I really just wanted to just come on here, have a small haul, just hang out with you and just share some of the items that I got. So come along with me and let's make up the rules. So looking in my bag here, they package it so cute. It's like a little gift that they give you. The first item that I got was from BoxLunch, and these are from the Disney Princess line. They're a pair of earrings that are based on Disney princesses, and this one is for Ariel and the Little Mermaid, and they are so cute. As we were walking around Lovisa, which is where we went first, I kept looking at a lot of seashell earrings and other kind of nautical type earrings and ocean inspired ones, and I didn't really love any of the ones that I found. And then we went to BoxLunch and I saw these and I thought they were so cute. They're definitely they're very feminine, they're very pretty, and I love that they're Disney princess themed, even though they don't necessarily scream Disney princess. They're just so cute. I love that they're mostly pink and very girly. Typically when you find ocean inspired earrings or jewelry, they tend to have, of course, blue on them. So I thought these were just really pretty, really unique, and definitely are just something that I'm excited to have now in my collection. So these are the only things that I picked up at BoxLunch. Everything else that I have is going to be from Lovisa. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of them. I picked up several pairs of earrings at Lovisa yesterday, and so I just want to go through them. The first pair are these. They are super cute. They're just little, just kind of pink hoops with some silver on them. They are really cute. These definitely look like that kind of mod sort of 60s style, and I'm really into that lately. I've recently got a pair of kind of go-go boots, some white boots that I've been wearing a lot that are super cute, and I think these would look really nice with those. So this definitely is a style that I'm interested in, and I think those are really cute and just have a lot of color and a lot of flair to them. And then I also found these earrings that are really cute, and I do not have a lot of orange earrings in my collection, so when I saw these I thought they were really pretty, and I thought they would add a nice pop of orange into my collection of earrings. That is something, typically orange and green are the two colors that I don't usually gravitate towards, so whenever I do want to wear a pair of green earrings or a pair of orange earrings, I don't really have any that I can reach for, and so I'm trying to kind of build up a little bit of a collection. I don't need a lot just because I don't wear them very often, but when I do want to wear them, it would be nice to have them in my collection. So I really like these, and I thought they would be really cute and definitely add just a little pop of orange to any look that I decide to wear. And then I picked up these that are so pretty, and they are very celestial based. They are so cute. It's got the moon and the stars. I love that they're different on either side. So the moon, the crescent moon over here has a little star on it, and then the other earring is a large star. So I just thought these were so beautiful. They are just really eye-catching. They're just so fun. They add just a lot of character to any look. So I definitely really like those and wanted to add those to my collection. And then I did pick up several pairs of earrings that are sort of fruit based, and they were really cute. And so the first ones are these. They are little cherries with hearts on the cherry part. I think that's so cute. They are so sparkly. You can see that really well in the light. They have so much just life and so much just kind of bedazzle to them. They're really pretty and would be a great accent for any summer look. And then another fruit based earring that I picked up. I don't know why I was into fruits yesterday, but that I think would be really good for summer looks are going to be these. They are little lemon slices, and I love these little pearl accents right here. I think those are so cute. They have so much texture and so much life to them, and they definitely look really like an actual lemon slice. So I think those are so pretty. I really love kind of a deep blue or a cobalt blue with lemons. I think that is such a cute look and such a cute combination, especially for summertime. So I really would love to wear these with a blue dress or a blue top, and I just think that would be a really cute combination. And then the last few earrings that I got are still a little bit fruit themed and also are moving a little bit more into holiday earring. And so these next ones are going to be some pumpkins that I got. They are so cute and so bedazzled. I absolutely love those. Fall is one of my favorite seasons and it's just my favorite time of year, and so I definitely wanted to pick these up and have these ready to go when we get to fall and Halloween time. I just think those are so pretty and definitely will go really well with a lot of Halloween looks that I put together. And then keeping in that holiday theme and looking at one of our upcoming holidays, Valentine's Day, I found a couple of heart earrings that I thought were really pretty. So the first ones are these, and they are so cute. They have just a cute little bow with the little hearts dangling from them. I think they're so cute, and I love these. I mean, I could wear these really any time of year, but I especially think they would be really good for Valentine's Day with the heart, and also the bows I think would be really good for Christmas time. So I think these are very versatile earrings, and I think they really go cute with a lot of outfits. And then the last thing that I picked up yesterday are another one that are very Valentine's Day theme, and they are some little kind of bubble hearts. They are so cute. They've got some glitter in them. I love that there's a pink heart and a red heart on each of them. I think that's so cute, and that really can go with just about any Valentine's Day look. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I really enjoyed just going through these earrings that I got and just sharing them with you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed sharing this haul with you, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below if there are any gaps in color that you have in your earring collection. I mentioned that I tend to not gravitate towards orange or green, and those are some gaps that I have in my collection. I'd love to hear if you have the same problem and just what colors you tend to gravitate more towards and which ones maybe are lacking a little bit in your collection. I also did want to mention, if you like this look that I have on my eyes today, I did film a tutorial using the BH Cosmetics Passion in Paris palette. This was my first time using it. It was a Christmas gift, and it is such a beautiful palette. I really enjoy getting to take some swatches and getting to create this beautiful look. So if you're interested, I will drop the link for that video in the description box below. Definitely go check it out. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more jewelry content, makeup content, anything related to beauty, then definitely go ahead and hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to stick around. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.